All right, here we are. It's a cold, windy, rainy run day. And it's been raining all day, and I've got about an hour and a half here before sunset. And finally, I think the rain went away, so I'm gonna try to knock out my run here before sunset. And I'm here at Sutton Park, and got a nice big trail. There's not a lot of cars in the parking lot. And it's just, you know, extremely overcast, and I've got 3 layers on with my coat and raincoat in case it does decide to rain a little bit more. But I'm gonna knock out my my run today and just, you know, run a loop around the lake, and, you know, maybe a little bit more towards the ball fields and whatnot on the other side of the lake. So should be a pretty good run. Once you get going, you feel pretty good on days like today. So better get to it. We'll see you guys after the run. All right, here we are, 3 miles. Oh no, let's don't get ahead of ourselves. 2 miles complete. And I wore 3 layers, and I actually kind of overheated a little bit. I guess it's like real feels like 35. It is windy, but I kind of overheated a little bit. Not really overheat, but, you know, I could have gotten away with just a t-shirt and then a rain jacket. But next week, on Tuesday, big gigantic Arctic blast is supposed to move in, and I think supposed to get up to like high of 20 and be in the teens most of the day and that type of thing for about 3 or 4 days. So I'm gonna need the layers come next week. But anyway, that'd be a real good day to run. I did skip the rain, so it looks like it's gonna rain outside, but it's not raining outside. So I was able to skip the rain today. Felt pretty good. Good luck on your day, whatever's out there, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a good day.